Welcome to Auto Pulse, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, a street-legal beast inspired by track legends. If you thought the Mustang couldn't get any better, think again. This is Ford's ultimate expression of power, performance, and luxury. From jaw-dropping looks to heart-pounding performance, the GTD is here to redefine what it means to drive a Mustang. Buckle up as we explore this masterpiece inside and out. Exterior design: the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is a showstopper with its aerodynamic design, wide stance, and aggressive styling. This car screams performance. The carbon fiber body work not only looks stunning but also helps reduce weight for better handling. The hood vents, rear diffuser, and massive rear wing aren't just for show, they're engineered for maximum downforce and cooling. The Mustang GTD sits on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, designed for both the track and the street. Available in exclusive colors like liquid silver, the GTD makes a bold statement wherever it goes. Performance: under the hood lies the heart of a beast, a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine pushing out over 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and a rear transaxle for perfect weight distribution, the GTD delivers an exhilarating driving experience with advanced suspension technology borrowed from Le Mans race cars. This Mustang hugs the road like never before. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest Mustangs ever built. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit designed for both comfort and control. The interior features premium materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber. The driver-focused cabin includes racing-inspired bucket seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and customizable digital displays. Ford's latest SYNC for system ensures seamless connectivity with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising on the highway, the GTD's interior keeps you in complete command. Price: exclusivity comes at a price, and the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is no exception, starting at around $300,000. This Mustang isn't for everyone, but for those who demand the best in performance and luxury, it's worth every penny. Ford hasn't compromised on safety either. The GTD comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. High-performance Brembo brakes ensure you can stop on a dime, even at high speeds. Overall, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is more than just a car. It's a statement combining cutting-edge performance, stunning design, and luxurious features. It represents the pinnacle of Mustang innovation. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a collector, the GTD is a dream come true. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Pulse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling automotive content. See you next time.